How to make money selling mugs. Hi and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make money selling mugs online. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So now, let's get right into it. So the very first step that we are going to do is we are going to simply create a design. And to do that, we can actually go to any AI image generating platforms. As for me, I actually am using Leonardo.ai since this is actually a free image generating app that you can use. And there are actually a lot of choices where you can choose from. Say, for example, you would like to create a mug with a flower design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy the prompt right here. And then afterwards, I'm going to go to the AI image generation section of Leonardo. Now here in the AI generation prompt box, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply paste the prompt that I have copied a while ago. And instead of the sakura flowers, I'm going to use a sunflower. Now for the models, instead of Leonardo Diffusion, I'm going to make use of the Dream Shaper version 5. And let's generate the picture. So there you have it. Here are some of the decorations or the designs that Leonardo has generated basically, and it fits right into the design that I actually would like to add onto the mug. So basically, let's try to generate more designs. Say for example, let's have a cup design, and then I'm going to change the image dimensions. So let's have 512 by 1024. And let's try to see. So this one is like kind of like an A4 size. So this is very long. And I'm gonna have the 512 by 512 instead so that I can have a square photo. And there you have it. So these are the designs that Leonardo has generated. Now let's actually take away the cup design since it's actually showing a cup with sunflower in it. So here, as you can see, this is how it would look like. So I would like to make use of this photo that has been generated by Leonardo for my designs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply download the image. There's actually a remove background image right here to make it easier and simpler for you guys. However, it's not working on my end for some unknown reasons that I will be searching more about it as to why. But basically, we can use another platform or another application to remove the background and for our design making to be better and easier. So I'm just going to simply download the photo since the remove background is not working on my end. So let's download the background or download the photo rather. And there you have it. Once you have downloaded the photo, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the background so that it would be easier for us to put it into our mug. So we can actually go to remove.bg in order for us to remove the background of our design. So here we're going to simply upload an image. It's actually just for free. If you do have Canva Pro account, you could also remove the background from that area right there. And there, we have our background being removed already. You could also add designs onto your image if you would want to here with remove.bg. but I'm gonna stick to what I have right here, and let's simply download the image. Once the image has been downloaded, what we are going to do next is we are going to create our mockup. And also in this platform, we can actually have our, you know, mugs supplier, and we can choose from our supplier and what kind of mug we would like to make use of using Printify. And with that being said, here in Printify, you just also need to make sure that you have linked your Printify to your Etsy account right there. Okay? So now I am already connected to my Etsy store. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to the catalog section of my Printify, and there I will actually choose mugs or look for mugs here in the items under the catalog section. So we can find mugs under home and living, and we're just simply going to click on it. Now there are actually a variety of mugs that you can choose from. So they also have those cups wherein you know, when you pour in hot water, then the design will come up, and that's the kind of mug that we would like to make. So say for example this color morphing mug, okay, that's what it's called, color morphing mug. So there you can actually see all the details of the mug, available print, or the location, the size, the print area, and whatnot. Now here we can add our design in our editing section, and I'm just gonna choose the design that we have created there. And basically we're just gonna position it to the place where we want to put it in the mug. I'm gonna put it right there in the center, and let's try to preview how it looks like. So basically this is how it looks like once it's been printed. But if the mug is cold, basically it will just be a black one, right? But if it's being heated up, or if it has hot coffee or hot water in it, then it will turn to the design like that. All right, and let's save the product. After this, we are going to simply click on all the variation, product visibility. Let's hide it in our store first, since we can actually edit all the details if we hide it in our store, and basically it will go to our draft section on our Etsy store afterwards. So as you can see, the publishing is actually the status is still on publishing mode, and here you can actually select the item, and you could also edit the item, copy the item, and whatnot in this section, right? So for the variant of this mug, we only have a total of one variant for this mug, so there's no variation for this one. And we're just going to simply wait for it. Okay. Now, once the status is changing from uploading images, then it will say connected to Etsy, for instance, then that's the time that you will go to your Etsy store and check it out whether it is available onto your listing section in your shop manager page or dashboard. All right. Now let's try to see. So moving on to our next process, we're going to go to our Etsy seller's account, and we're going to publish the listing on Etsy. All right, so here we just need to go to your listing section, and what we are going to do is there in the drafts, you can actually see your mug. that you have created using Printify. And you can edit all the information, and as you can see, the photos are already in it, basically. So if there are any details that you want to change, then you can actually change that in this section, and simply hit on publish once you're ready to create the listing and hit it on Etsy. And by then, customers would be able to see and buy your product, and you don't have to think about how you will ship it to your clients, basically, since Printify would already do the job for you. And basically, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you find this video helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.